Muri Zimbabwe uye panapa munzwe nyaya iripo pavhurwa Hombe panapa vanhu vaya vatanga manje pamakore ese panga pachivakwa interchange panonzi paMbudzi kana muchipaziva mese kuZimbabwe. So nyaya iri panapa iri kubuda iri kunzi zvoni cabinet wishes to advise that upon completion the Mbudzi interchange will be named Trabablas interchange in recognition of the visionary leadership of His Excellency the President Comrade Emerson Mnangagwa. Ndo nyaya irimo iko zvinezvi mudariro nyaya iri kutaurwa nezvayo kunzi zvoni interchange apa chanzi paMbudzi pakupowa zita rekuti Trabablas. Zita rekuti Trabablas iri izita raPresident Mnangagwa, mazita ave kuhondo rinonzi Trabablas dzokerai mabhunu, saka yakunzi Trabablas interchange ndo zita rayoda kupuwa. Ministry of Information ndo zvoyabuditsa yemuZimbabwe. I don't know kuti munoionawo sei nyaya yakadai so iyi, but inini hangu hazvisi kundimekera sense pakuti the fact yekuti iri kuzopuwa nickname. Tomboti sometimes dai vambopuwa kana zita maybe taingoti at least munozorangarira manje ma nickname zvanofanira kunzi mabla chinchi mazita ekungoti ma nickname aya panda kuongororwa ipapa. So muri Zimbabwe ndine audio yeumwe muZimbabwe ari kujamuka about nyaya iyo ndasangana nayo zvekare ndoda ndikusirei muchinzwa mondiudzawo zvamuri kufunga in the comment section kana muchinge mapedza kulike this video mosara muchinzwa audio.
You know the crazy people. Zanupf, they are crazy people. Ebra, go to China. Go to China. Those roads, what are they built over through the mountain, through the river? They are never have any celebration, any changed name, any what. That is not meaning about that interchange can build in the economy of Zimbabwe. Most of the highway, I can tell you true, they are building with a contraction. That is the investors. If he doesn't not understand that, come here in South Africa, go to Botswana, go to China, go to America. Like malls, if you go to the mall in China and Dubai, you can go to the mall of South African, you can go to the mall in Botswana, you can go to some of the shopping center in America. There is the investors, they are building, and people, they are rent it out and do their business. Government of South Africa, I just want to tell you the experience, what I know, China, Dubai, South Africa. Those three countries, what I mentioned with their names, most of them all, they are investor, you buy a land and you're building a shopping center, you're calling mall. It's not a government. It's not only one. Each and every small town in Dubai, China, South Africa, I have a lot of malls. And some other small town in South Africa, in Dubai, you cannot believe it's a small town. You can beat Harare, you can beat Mashingo, you can beat Blawa, you can beat Kwekwe, you can beat any other big city in Zimbabwe. And the investor, you pay a rent, you pay a tax pay to the government for the ground, what he building for the shopping center. And also the people, they are renting to that person, to that investor. They are also pay a tax to the government. That's why you see some other countries, they are generating money. Money is circulating in the country. Money is circulating in the country, and they are keep economy grows because they have investors. How many investors in Zimbabwe now? How many investors in Zimbabwe now? Guys, open the eye, open the mind, set. If we keep and have this leadership of ZANU-PF, do something to improve your family and your children to be a better people tomorrow, today and tomorrow and forever. You don't have to associating with them. You don't have to associating with them. How many people? It's a black people. It's a black empowerment. They want to help some citizen of Zimbabwe. It's the children of Zimbabwe. It's not a white people. It's not a colored. It's not an Indian. It's not a white guy. It's a black person. You make money in Europe because you feel you have money now. You want to try to help some children of Zimbabwe to building something, library and something like that. But ZANU-PF will still keep in the block in their law. They are not going to block you in the easiest way to say, you don't do this. You say, themselves, they are put a law about, you have to work through government with our this criminal government. There knows you can quit and anger about ZANU-PF to come through to your business. Then you leave that business. What was happening to Temba Gorimbo? What was happening to Peter Ndlovu? First time Peter Ndlovu to go to Europe, ZANU-PF and Mugabe, you took the first car. First president of Peter Ndlovu was the best president of that car of Peter Ndlovu was taken with ZANU-PF and Mugabe. If I'm lying, Peter Ndlovu, you say I'm lying now. Who is this? This guy, I forgot his name. You want to sabotage people to give some people things to donating. ZANU-PF, we block it again. But people there don't open their mind. I'm grade 3. I'm grade 1. I attended school until grade 1. I just only finish in grade 1. I don't never complete grade 2. I never complete grade 2. I complete grade 1. I see this is shit. Because you see, now you see how many graduating people there in Zimbabwe. Some of them, they are dying without anything. That's why they are blocking Daniel Shingoma. And who is this? That's fucking small guy. You block him. Because their knows. ZANU-PF, if you don't want a person, you have an opening mind to see what is right, what is wrong.